I don't know, but look at the green thing.
Oh, that's what it's a hair. All right. I feel like I should go nude.
I'm in love with a cold. I got it for the love. I'm in love with the cold. I got it for the
What's up, guys? We're here with another Elijah Dercks vlog daily vids. I'm here with Max, my boy filmer, Kyle behind the thing. We're up here in Marquette, Michigan. Thanks again, Kyle, for coming out and meeting us. We're so glad to be here. We're at Max's cabin again. You guys know that if you want to check out previous vlogs, that stuff will be in the link in the bio, guys. Go check out vlogs where we just go dumb insane in the winter here. Right now, we're out here with my whole family. They're like going off somewhere, but me and my dad, we're out searching tonight for Yooper rocks. This is going to be a short vlog because it's going to be like, I guess, a tutorial vlog?
A little information kind of thing.
Yeah, so Yooper stones are these crazy stones that only exist in the UP.
It's only around Lake Superior. Yeah, I mean, like, you can definitely find them in Marquette, but people find them in like, what is it, like, Manistee? Is that Lake Superior?
Yeah. I don't know, I'm an idiot. Okay, Lake Superior, that's fine. I'm an idiot, it's fine. Anyways, regardless, you can find them here, and all you have to do to get them, guys, is you go at dusk, go in the middle of the night, whatever. You go on the beaches where there's lots of different random, like, stones and stuff. Right on Lake Superior, it has to be Lake Superior. It cannot be a lake around Lake Superior, and it has to be Lake Superior. And you use a UV black light. You can buy them off of Amazon. I'm actually gonna have that link in the description below if you guys want to check those out. Make sure that if you do check them out, you better hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, subscribe, I swear to God. But anyways, we're gonna go show you guys how to find them. We're gonna show real results of finding them, and we're just gonna give you guys an all-around wholesome thing to do while you get drunk.
Exactly.
Or not. Let's go. Kyle, whip it left. We're in the nature. We're gonna find a wild Dennis searching for rocks. There he is. Don't let him see you. He'll spook. He'll get really upset and spook.
Found another one.
Oh, you found it. He found another rod. Oh, look. Is that seriously another rod? Oh yeah. Watch last vlog because you'll see him find that rock in the vlog. Crazy epic scene. So magical. Go check it out. All right, guys. This is my dad, Dennis. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello, vlog.
This is my dad.
Glad to be here, having fun. Rock hunting.
This is painful.
Okay.
He's awesome, very supportive, great father. But no, what we are gonna do though is he has oh, Kyle's just dying in the background. He is very motivated to find these rocks, and he's already found one. He's the whole reason we're out here today, guys. So if you want to thank him by following him on Instagram and blowing him up because his son's gonna be famous. So that'd be fun. Dennis Dercks is gonna be right here. He has lots of followers, you're gonna love it. He posts nothing, never. Oh yeah, there's this little seat.
Alright, so a little bit more information about these rocks.
Listen to him, he's a Yooper.
So they're called Yooper light. I don't know, some guy named Eric named him that when he found them. He was just like walking along a beach holding a black light for whatever reason, and he saw this like super bright orange glowing rock just like somewhere on a beach. And apparently it's got a mineral in it called sodalite, and that's what glows. And you can only really find them on Lake Superior. It's like on the area between Grand Marais and like kind of by the Keweenaw Peninsula. And we can find them in Marquette and along the shoreline over here, but only if you're kind of lucky. So a little bit of a hunt for them, but...
Well, here's the thing though. We're only kind of lucky. I mean, we already found them, so we're pretty fucking lucky. Like, that's awesome. Well, at least my dad is.
Apparently, yeah, they're just like brought down by the glaciers from Canada, which I think is kind of wild. So, thanks glaciers.
My dad loves Canada.
Well, thanks to Max and his family getting us in this spot where their private sanctuary is.
Yeah, I know, there's usually beach here, but we just got rocks now.
Everyone. Huge shout out to Max for taking us here. This means so much to me that I can bring my dad here because this is like such a blissful place that Max has provided for me and like our group and everything, and it's incredible. And me and my dad share a lot of really good moments in the outdoors, and he's the one that kind of got me into it, and well, he's the one that got me into it and showed me my love for the outdoors and kind of why I do what I do. So it's nice to show him some cool stuff in the outdoors that he didn't know about. Makes me feel badass. We found another one. That Yooper light.
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
Dang.
that's so cool.
Oh, look at how it lights up. Dang. We found 4 tonight. That's you never
crazy.
find. This is awesome. We're finding a ton.
Yeah, this is a cool one. Oh my, wait, here's another one. What? What?
Holy shit.
Oh my god, what?
What?
Earlier and it didn't jump out, but look at that.
Wow. Are you serious?
Dang.
How did, wait.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
You know what's weird is these darker ones, you don't see them during the day. Because I saw some that looked a little bit because of that. And that's why now at night I think they just jump.
Wow.
Did you
look
put
at
this
that.
up there?
I don't know. I
my
found some that looked really close, but that just didn't jump at you.
Yeah.
And that's why I wonder, because I think the lighter ones, the ones that you see are in the white ones.
Right,
Because
it's more contrast,
Like
yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Wow.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
That one looks like it's lit from within.
Yeah.
But like that.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at us
That's
go.
a-
All right.
Look at us go. Wow.
Okay.
$30 a pound.
Yeah. I mean, it's a pretty
We're
heavy
making
rock.
profit this vlog.
Honestly, I mean, how many pounds do you think that is?
Oh, what? Oh, whoa. That's like 10, 15, maybe 12 pounds.
Yeah, I'd say 12 pounds.
Somewhere, yeah.
Jesus.
Well,
All right.
look at us go.
Whoa, good.
This is how we're going to pay rent.
I'm gonna leave these here because I kind of want to keep looking in case we find any more.
All right, let's remember these are here then.
All right, so I said that we'd be back. We are back, guys. It's like 1:30 right now a.m. It is late. It is late, but it was totally worth it. We found a ton, and I'm honestly shocked. Like, this is all the rocks we found. You guys can't see them all right now, but we're about to show you. Just give me 1, 2, 3 with the lights off.
All right, look at all the rocks we have found. Oh my gosh, it's crazy with the Yooper lights in them. Look how detailed. Here, just get a little bit closer for us. What? These are honestly, like, this one especially is just so luminous. I found that one, where would I find that one? Like midway through our whole hike.
Yeah.
But, and these aren't even all the ones we found. We had actually found, what did you say, another like 5 or 6 more that your brother found, maybe more?
Even, yeah, like 7 or 8.
Yeah, honestly, we found like 30 rocks tonight, which is apparently super rare, but it doesn't seem like that for us. But this one's insane.
I just think this is crazy. This is like all the way around. It's just totally covered.
You don't see it as well in this one for some reason. This just isn't picking it up. But
Yeah, these small
this
ones
one
are
you can really
picking
just,
it up, yeah.
oh, it's so, wow. All right, guys.
Can't believe we found so many.
Thanks for watching today's vlog, guys. Cue outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Cover it again. Okay. Yeah, no, cue outro. No, oh, God help us all.
God, did you just?
Did I just what?
Did you just rip ass?
No, I actually didn't. Wow.
Kyle, was that you? Horrible. Unbelievable.
It might take like 40 minutes.
I'm gonna sit right here until you come back.
Okay. You can go rest on the couch if you need to.
Kyle, please come with us.
Honestly, I'm gonna wait till you get back.
He's not gonna come with us.
Please come. Kyle, I'll buy McDonald's.
Dude, I don't want McDonald's.
Yeah, you do.
He'll buy me McDonald's too.
That's what I'm saying. So go,
I didn't say that. Kyle.
Still gonna do that.
go give
Okay.
Fine. Kyle's staying behind.
We're sober.